Malolele, Nisa Burivinaka, Malo ni, Kiorana, and warm Pacific greetings to you all. My name is Eteroa and welcome to Tautai Tech Skills Series, a series where we talk about all topics about tech. Today's episode, we're going to talk about key characteristics of cloud computing. While cloud computing is a broad topic which has a whole bunch of unique things across different types of cloud offerings, there are key characteristics. The National Institute of Technology, NIST, talk about 5 key characteristics of cloud computing. Buckle up, we're going to learn about them now.
You might want to buckle up.
Number 1, on-demand self-service. Think about Spotify for a second. When you first reach into Spotify, you'll have a basic account where you can listen to music and create your own playlist. But if you want to listen without ads or download the music for offline play, then you've got to upgrade to premium. Upgrading to premium is a good example of on-demand self-service, as you can do all of this by yourself without even calling Spotify to set this up.
I did it all by myself.
Number 2, broad access network. This talks about different options that we have to access the service. So let's think about Spotify again. When we access Spotify, we can go on our phones, tablets, and even on our computers.
Wow.
Number 3, resource pooling. Now these services like Spotify still run on servers. If you can imagine, over 500 million users are using your app. You need some powerful servers to make sure it doesn't break or shut down. Resource pooling makes sure to share the resources to users equally by using the concept of multi-tenancy. This means each tenant or user is given a set limit of resources to use or to make sure everyone has a fair and equal experience. Number 4, rapid elasticity. This means that for cloud providers, they can quickly meet the service demands of their users. Let's think about Netflix for a moment. When the season 4 of Stranger Things was released, there was a total viewership of over 280 million hours. That's a whole lot of hours and a whole lot of people watching Stranger Things. Think about if you were at a cinema, sitting there with millions of people. They would have to make sure that everyone had enough seats to watch the show. And the same thing is for a virtual online experience. With rapid elasticity, we can continue to meet the demands of our users. Number 5, measured service. This allows all the behind-the-scene mechanism to be measured. This helps companies to ensure that they give the users a measured and consistent experience to get insights on how their services are running. And that brings us to the end of the key characteristics of cloud computing. Did you like what you heard? Feel free to give us a like below. Did you have a question as well? Well, make sure you ask your questions in the comments below and we'll try our best to get back to you. Well, that's us till next time. Till 5.4, mai ia manuia.